Okay guys, now you can see that this is my tray of succulent leaves, okay, because I used to propagate a lot of succulents from leaves. So you can see that these are my results of about 1.5 months. So now you can see that I have grown a lot of succulents there. Now you can see that there are a lot of succulents, and now here we have Sedum adolphi, which is of this yellow color, okay, and Graptophyllum paragonis, and even the Pachyphytum bracteosum. Now you can see that this is my one of the leaves which is not properly connected with the media, so it is a little bit dried up as well. Now I am just inserting it in the media so that its roots will become intact with the soil. Okay, now even the jelly beans is there, jelly bean succulent, which is actually the botanically it is called as the Sedum rubrotinctum. Now this is okay. Now this is Deutelia greeny rose, and this is my Sedum rubrotinctum, also called as Sedum jelly beans. Okay, now you can see, and this leaf is also not properly connected with the media, so we need to connect it with the ground. Now I have distaged the mother leaf, and I am just inserting the baby plant within the media, okay, so that its roots will get moisture from the media, and then plant will become properly erect. Now I have inserted it out. Now this blue baby plant is actually the Sedum adolphi, okay, it is the Sedum adolphi, which is very much, and this is Pachyphytum bracteosum, and this is Graptophyllum, okay, and this is also Pachyphytum, again a Pachyphytum, and its mother leaf is also there. This is Graptophyllum bronze, this is Sedum adolphi. This is just a mother of thousand or Calenshodagra montiana. So now we can see that we have even we can see some Crassula capitella and these things, okay, these cuttings you can see, these are actually from the Echeveria cubic frost, that is Echeveria cubic frost. So okay, so now I will put these cuttings in the media as well. So now I will put one of the cutting here,